scream. Teach me how to scream. Teach me how to scream. So, I cannot do in shorts kasi hindi ko alam kung paano. So, wait mas video ko kasi alam ko na mag-video. Tinuro ko lang ng best friend ko sa pero okay. That's my best friend but he's a little thief. He's a little rapper. I know that.
Asan ang juice na nga?
So, I'm going to find that out in Mimic. I'm going to find the bitches. Where is it? Where is it?
Ayan o.
Bro, where is it? Bro, what is it? Do you see the oh, what the hell? Oh, she's there. She's there. Hey. Does that teach me how to scream? Teach me how to scream. Teach me how to scream. Oh my gosh. Okay, maingay. So, yeah. Ito. Ay, wag mong palin. Ikaw yung tulok mo mag... lang yan. Nanonood. Oh my gosh. Nanonood. So, pero yun. So yun lang guys. Cause ginawa ko tong trend kasi di ko alam kung